ABC Educational Channel.
Hi there, super learners. Welcome back to our English learning time. Today, we're going to learn about WH questions. These are special question words we use when we want to ask for information. They usually start with W or H. Let's learn them together. Are you ready? Let's begin. What? We use what to ask about things or objects. What is your name? My name is Emma. What is this? It's a pencil. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. What color do you like? I like blue. What do you want to eat? I want a sandwich. Where? We use where to ask about places or locations. Here are some examples. Where do you live? I live in Thailand. Where is my bag? It's on the table. Where is my bag? It's on the table. Where are you going? I'm going to school. Where is the cat? It's under the chair. Where do you play? I play in the park. When? We use when to ask about time. Like day, month, or moment. Check out these examples. When is your birthday? My birthday is in June. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. When do you go to school? I go to school in the morning. When do we eat lunch? We eat lunch at noon. Who? We use who to ask about people. Here are the examples. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Lily. Who is he? He is my father. Who are they? They are my friends. Who helps you at home? My mom helps me. Who is calling you? My friend is calling me. Why? We use why to ask for reasons. We want to know the cause of something. Let's try some examples. Why are you sad? Because I lost my toy. Why are you happy? Because I got a new book. Why are you running? Because I'm late. Why do you study English? Because I want to learn. Why are you laughing? Because the joke is funny. How? We use how to ask about the way something happens or how someone feels. Examples. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How old are you? I'm 7 years old. How do you go to school? I go by bus. How is the weather today? It's sunny. How do you spell your name? E-M-M-A, Emma. Wow. You did great, kids. Let's review our WH words together. What? For things. Where? For places. When? For time. Who? For people. Why? For reasons. How? For ways or feelings. You can use these words every day to ask questions and learn new things. Awesome job, super learners! Now you know how to ask questions using WH words. Keep practicing with your friends, teachers, or family. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more English fun. See you next time. Bye bye, kids.